Welcome to lesson 4, where we're going to learn about adding shapes on top of each other and shelling or removing the back of the material. So I'm going to click on a new part, okay, and I'm going to start very quickly by going to Sketch, Rectangle, selecting the front plane, and I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm then going to use the Smart Dimensioning tool, and I'm going to dimension that to 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters, like that, and instantly then I'm going to click on here to zoom to all. Okay, features, extruded base, and I'm going to add a 20 millimeter extrusion. The goggles to show you, and then go OK. Next job, I'm going to select the face again, and I'm going to insert another rectangle. This rectangle, I'm going to make this one 75 by 75, and also I'm going to constrain to the edge. Now, bit of maths involved here. I've got 75 take away 100, which gives me 25. Half of 25 is anyone? No. 12.25. 12.5, sorry. Okay, I'm going to select from that edge there to that edge there, come out, and I'm going to constrain this edge to this edge at 12.5, and that will hold that in the center. I'm then going to say yes, and I'm going to extrude base by 20 again. Okay, I'm going to repeat the process on this surface. Insert sketch, rectangle, like that. This one, you probably guessed it, is going to be 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters, and I'm going to constrain it to the edge once again by 12.5 millimeters, and to this edge, and that will hold it in the center. Features, extruded base again, and 20 millimeters. There we go. I'm going to add one more onto this just because it would look better. Insert sketch, rectangle. That's going to be now 25. That's going to be 25. And once again to the edge, 12.5 and 12.5. Extruded base, 20 millimeters. Okay. Repeating the steps we've learned from previously, I'm going to add a fillet to all of the edges, but I'm only going to put a very small fillet on of 2 millimeters. On this face here, this face, that face. It does that. If I then want to do the edges as well, I need to go around and select this individually, but I think that will be fine. With the edges, I will need to go fillet, and then select all of one side, rotate it round, select the next 4. Once again, you can see all of the lines are turning red when I've got them selected. Once they are selected, they'll turn green. And there we go. So that is my pyramid. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to shell out the inside to turn it into a hollow object. So I'm going to turn so I can see the bottom face, and I'm going to select the shell button. I'm going to click on the face. Now that gives me an option. If I put preview on, it shows me what it's going to look like. Now I think a 10 millimeter shell is too much because I intend to 3D print this, so I'm going to change it to a 2 millimeter shell, and I'm going to go OK, and that will hollow out the bottom like that. Okay, so that is how you would shell out an object. Okay, turn it back to isometrics. You can see the final effect, and there is our 3D shelled out pyramid. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. This concludes lesson 4.